In this video, I'll show you how to mention someone in WhatsApp group. So if you want to tag someone in a WhatsApp group, if you want to tag your friend or your family, or if you want to tag someone that you want to tell something, what you need to do, open your WhatsApp. So let's say I can come on here, I'll type in, "Hey friend, glad to have you." So what you need to do, click on this. You are going to see that art option, right? So it's next after this, and it's before this, right? So I don't want to tag anybody because of some reasons. So what you need to do, click on the arts. Like once you type the arts, you're going to see a list of people that are currently in your WhatsApp group, right? So if you want to send this message to someone specially, or you want to mention the person, you just enter the message you want to send to the person. Then once you click on the arts, you're going to be able to get the person you want to send it to. So once you are done, click on this. You're going to be able to send the message to the person. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next.